Hello everyone. Today we will going to learn three-phase voltage rectifier using MATLAB. In this we will create a model of three-phase rectifier with the help of MATLAB software. Okay. So first of all we should know what is rectifier. Rectifier is an electrical device that converts alternating current to direct current. Okay. So it is an electrical device which is made up of PN junction diodes, and is used in converting alternating current to direct current. Okay, so this current flows which flows across the diode is nothing but a direct current. The PN junction diode acts like a rectifier, and it is used to convert AC current to direct current. Now, DC current produced by the rectifier is not a pure DC. It is a pulsating DC. So, we should know what is pulsating DC. So, pulsating DC is a direct current and whose value changes over a period of time. Okay, the pulsating DC current starts from 0 and grows to maximum forward current, that is peak level, and decreases to 0. However, the pulsating DC current does not change its direction periodically like alternating current. Then comes the types of rectifiers. The rectifiers are mainly classified into two types. First is the half wave rectifier and second is the full wave rectifier. In half wave rectifier, only the first half of the sinusoidal signals are converted into direct current, and in full wave rectifier both the positive and negative half cycles are converted into direct current. Then comes the MATLAB. So MATLAB is a software, its full form is Matrix Laboratory, and it is the product of MathsWork. So it has numbers of features like it has variety of graphical capabilities, and it can be capable of solving numerical problems. Okay, it is used for documentation purpose, and it has the ability to create model based projects. Okay, it has an interactive software system. It can work with different hardware also. Okay, now here is the model of three-phase rectifier which is created using MATLAB. Okay, so in this model we have used two toolboxes, Simulink and Simscape toolbox, to create this model. So we will see the MATLAB software how we have created this model in MATLAB. So we will create this model using MATLAB. Okay, now we will open the MATLAB software. So, this is the MATLAB. Okay, we have opened the blank model. Then we will go to the library browser for selecting the components or blocks to create a model. Okay, so this is the okay. So this is the library browser, and in this we will create the model using MATLAB. Okay, so we will take the components from the Simscape toolbox. Okay, Simscape, here is the Simscape toolbox. We have different blocks, sub libraries. Okay, this is electrical, then element sensor, different things are there. Okay, so in this we will create a circuit using diode. So we will take diode for creating our circuit. Okay, then after the diode we will take ground. Okay, we have taken ground. Now we will go to voltage source. Okay, so we are creating three-phase voltage source. So we will be taking three-phase voltage source. Okay, so we have taken three-phase voltage source. Just simply drag and drop the object component. Okay, we have taken three-phase voltage source. After that, we will take voltage line voltage sensor. Okay, we will take line voltage sensor. So we have taken line voltage sensor. Then we will go to utilities. Okay. In utilities, we will take PS Simulink converter. Okay. This converter is used for connecting the blocks of two different toolboxes from Simulink as well as from SimScape. Okay. After that, we will take solver configuration. Okay. This box is used for solving purpose of our problem. Okay. So we have taken diode, ground, voltage, and then we will take phase splitter. For three-phase voltage, we will take phase splitter also, and then we will go and take phase splitter. After that, we will take voltage source, voltage sensor. Okay, we will take voltage sensor, and then we will take scope. The scope is in Simulink library. Then we will go to sync, and then we will select scope. Okay, so different components we have taken. Now we will create our model. Okay, so for creating the model, we have to firstly put the components. So this is the voltage line sensor. Rotate it anti-clockwise. Right click, and then go to rotate counterclockwise. Okay, it is rotated. Now put this below this, and then connect phase splitter across this, and move here. Put this scope here. Okay, then connect this phase splitter with the voltage source, and then connect this line voltage sensor to this converter. After that, connect this line voltage sensor to the phase splitter. Okay, and then connect this voltage source to the solver configuration, and connect ground to this solver configuration like this. Okay, connect like this. After that, then comes the how to create the rectifier. Like we are creating three-phase rectifier, so six diodes are required for creating. So right click on this and then drag. We'll get the copy of different diodes. Okay, here, here. So connect all the diodes with each other with the wire. We connect all the diodes. Yeah, connect all the diodes. Okay. After that, connect the endpoints of all the diodes. And then from here also. And from here also connect all the diodes with each other. Okay. Now here comes the voltage sensor. Now flip it, right click, and then flip it, flip the block left to right. Okay. Then connect this part of the sensor to here. Okay. And this part to here. Okay. Like this. After connecting this, You have to take another Simulink converter, right click on it and drag it, and then move it here and connect this part of the sensor here. Okay. Now in this, we have to connect it to scope. Double click on scope and then mm, then go to settings and then give number of input 2. Okay, and layout also 2. And then apply. Okay. Okay. So 2 input lines are created. So 2 input lines are created. Connect one with this converter and another with this converter. Okay, like that. After that, now comes the phase splitter. Connect this to this wire, second one to second, and third one to third. So this is the model created, and now let's give some values. In voltage source, we will give the value 1 volt, and frequency we will give 1 kilohertz. Okay, after that apply. Okay, and in solver configuration, we will give 1. Here we will give full. After that, click apply and then okay. Okay, now our model is created. So we will go and run this model. Okay, we will go and run this model. So click here and run. Okay, now check the output. Okay, so this is the output. In this output, you can see 3-phase voltage is given and which is rectified, and we have get the direct current. So from this model, we have converted the 3-phase voltage to a rectified voltage. Okay, direct current voltage. Okay, now